How you can use WhatsApp for real estate. As a real estate professional, you know that selling home can be very rewarding experience. However, many people do not realize that you can use WhatsApp to promote and sell your homes. With an enormous user base of 2.2 billion people, it is a platform that can serve you well in your real estate business endeavors. This video will teach you how you can use WhatsApp for real estate, including how to market homes on WhatsApp. Hi, I am Syed Nadeem, and today we are going to talk about how you can use WhatsApp in your real estate business. Use WhatsApp to keep in touch with potential customers. WhatsApp can be used to build strong one-on-one relationship with your customers. A lot of people don't realize that WhatsApp is a great way to communicate with potential customers. The best part is with WhatsApp, you can send people quick messages whenever you want. You don't need to have them signed into the app to see the messages they receive. It's very convenient and low cost way to communicate with potential customers. Update potential customers about projects through WhatsApp. If properly used, WhatsApp increases conversion rates up to 112%. If you are a real estate business owner, you have probably already learned how valuable social media can be to your business. But have you thought about how you can use mobile apps to increase your productivity and increase the likelihood the potential client will take your call? WhatsApp has over 390 million users in India, and the instant messaging app is perfect for communicating with clients to share information about new projects and update them about the progress of existing projects completion and whatnot. Use WhatsApp automation to stay connected. We are seeing a rise in popularity of using apps to automate your communication with your clients and manage all your contacts. In real estate, there is nothing worse than waiting for a client to respond to an email or text message, especially when you can reach them in just few seconds on WhatsApp. By using WhatsApp, you can get quick responses to messages, set up reminders for follow-ups, send documents, and much more. You are already using WhatsApp to communicate with your clients. So why not automate? It's easy to do and can save you tons of time every day. And if you can add WhatsApp API to this automation, you have features such as the ability to send messages to 1 lakh unique users every day and provides live customer support to users in a 24-hour chat window. Share photos, videos, and other media on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is known for its ability to send messages and share pictures and videos quickly. And in a day, around 100 billion messages are sent. You can utilize this feature to share with your clients or potential client photos, videos, and other media. It makes a lot more impact than sending a text message. If you get in touch with a potential customer and have to wait to email them the brochure of your project, it may take time and by then they may find another option. But with WhatsApp, you can share a PDF of your project directly and get them interested in your project right away. It is a tool with endless possibility. With this, you can also use WhatsApp API to send your project details like 3D walkthroughs. You can ask frequently asked questions. You can also use WhatsApp to share company's profile, to share customer testimonies, to share 3D walkthrough if the project is under construction. It is a tool with endless possibilities. Create a WhatsApp group. An effective strategy for your real estate business is to create a WhatsApp real estate group. This can help to quickly connect with your target market and provide an easy way to communicate with your clients directly. Once you have created a WhatsApp group for your target audience, you should send out regular relevant updates to it. You could talk about new listing price change or even just general housekeeping. Your WhatsApp group is also a great way to promote your listing and share industry information, which you can ultimately lead to more sales. We all know that WhatsApp is the biggest chat application out there. With billions of users on platform, it is used by the majority of the population. Therefore, it would seem natural to assume that real estate marketers could use it to reach potential clients. However, the reality is that many agents are unaware of how this application could benefit them. Don't be one of them. Integrate WhatsApp into your business and market your business in much easier and better way. Thank you and see you in another video.